In this next problem, we will be ordering decimals from least to greatest. Arrange in order from least to greatest. 0.44, 0.451, 9/20ths, and 0.4506. Now, 3 of our numbers are in decimal format. We have one that's a fraction. So let's go ahead and change this fraction into its decimal equivalent. And we'll need to do that by dividing 9 by 20. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a decimal point, add a 0. I'm going to bring up my decimal point, which will be in my answer. 20 goes into 90 4 times. 4 times 20 is 80. And when I subtract, we have 10 left over. Bring down a 0, and 20 goes into 100 5 times. So 9/20ths is equal to 0.45 as a decimal. So I'm going to line these up just so you can compare the different place values. 0.44, 0.451, 9/20ths is equal to 0.45, and then 0.4506. I'm going to do one more thing here. I'm going to fill in with zeros so that our eyes don't shift from one column to the wrong column as we're looking here and trying to order these. So our smallest number here, since they're all the same number in the tenths position, we look at the hundredths position, and our first number is actually the smallest. So our smallest decimal here is 0.44. I'm going to draw a line there to separate my answer from my work. Now, the next, so this one's out. The next number will come from these 3 here, and all 3 of these numbers have a 5 in the hundredths position. So we'll look at the next position, and one of them has a 1, and one of them, 2 of them have zeros. So this will be our largest number, so we can go ahead and put it down here, 0.451. And between these two, we're going to have one is smaller and one is larger. So the first place they are different is in the 10,000ths position. The 0.4500 is smaller, so 0.45, and then we have 0.4506. So from our original set of numbers, the order will be 0.44, 0.45, 0.4506, and 0.451, keeping in mind that this 0.45 is our fraction 9/20ths.